Introducing Pacofire 2. Compact, foldable, and designed to bring big flavors to the wildest places. More spacious and functional than the previous version loved by over 2,000 campers. No more hauling heavy grills or settling for cold snacks. This little powerhouse slips effortlessly into your backpack, and when you unfold it, you're ready to cook for 4. Steaks, veggies, breakfast, you name it. 3 steps. That's all it takes to turn your campsite into a gourmet kitchen. Unfold, ignite, grill. No complicated setup, just fire and flavor. Its 2 adjustable cooking heights let you control the heat, whether you're grilling burgers or roasting vegetables. And with interchangeable grill and flat surfaces, you can sear your dinner one night and flip perfect pancakes the next. Crafted from premium, ultralight, corrosion-resistant titanium, the material favored by Michelin star chefs for its unparalleled ability to retain the original flavors of food due to its chemically stable properties. It's as tough as the mountains you're exploring. And when you're done, it cools down in just 5 minutes. Pack it up and you're on your way to the next adventure. Pacofire 2 isn't just a grill, it's your ticket to culinary freedom, anywhere your journey takes you. From sunrises on the beach to starlit mountain feasts, the possibilities are endless. Pacofire 2. Fold, pack, grill. Adventure has never tasted this good.